How to delete Bigo Live account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Bigo Live. Enter your login credentials and then sign into your account that you want to delete. Once you are logged in, it will land you on this home page. Click on Me at the bottom right corner and then click on the settings icon at the top right. Head over to Account Management. Scroll all the way down and the option of Delete Account will be visible to you. Click on it. Now over here it says Verify that your Google Binding account had been verified. Click on Next. Now click on Confirm and Continue. Read all of those instructions given here. But if you are really willing to delete your account, click on this checkbox and then click on Delete Account. Now once again, if you click on Delete Account, your Bigo Live account will be deleted successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial on how to delete your Bigo Live account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.